Hey, how y'all doing?
How are you?
I'm doing all right. All right, so it's for you.
Yeah.
All right, nice to meet you. Fill this out for me, and I'll go ahead and get started on this. Let's see.
Edward, really?
It's my husband.
Where did they go?
Vietnam.
Never a dull moment, huh?
No. Never.
What'd
ever.
you say earlier today? Always something?
Every day it's always something. Yay!
All right. All right. I'll
I need
take
one of those.
that. Give me just 1 second, of course.
You let the dog
Oh.
out.